My name is Hayden Poulson. I'm a foot and ankle specialist, and I work at Northern Arizona Orthopaedics in Prescott Valley and in Flagstaff. I love what I do. I love that I get to help people every day. Part of the reason why I went into foot and ankle surgery is because you have the ability to change a life with one surgery. It can alter things enough where people who couldn't walk now can walk. People who couldn't hold a job because they couldn't stay on their feet can now hold a job because they can stay on their feet. Northern Arizona Orthopaedics is a very unique place in the fact that the environment is what makes it special and unique. Those who are involved in your care, from the front lines of the office staff or the person taking your phone call, they care about what you're going through, and they show that. They care about situations, they care about stuff that you're going through that's not even related to the specific pathology of what's happening, but your life in general. They want to make things better.